North 2450 Romeo, radar contact lost. I probably won't pick you up before the field. There's a VFR target 5 west of the field, 5,500 northbound. Radar service terminal, you can squawk VFR, frequency changes approved.
Alright, 50 Romeo is going to squawk VFR. Thanks for your help. We've been looking for the traffic.
Morrisville-Stowe State Airport, Morrisville, Vermont. Automated weather observation 1635 Zulu. Wind 240 at 11. Peak gusts 19er. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 28 Celsius. Dew point 13 Celsius. Altimeter 29er. 86. Remarks. Density altitude 2,500.
Morrisville-Stowe traffic, Cirrus 5 Sierra Romeo is 5 miles west, inbound to land runway 19er.
Bennington traffic number 2 minutes, 8,500 and below, Bennington.
And also Morrisville traffic, Rudder tailplane 401 Yankee is about 5 miles west, inbound landing Morrisville. We're looking for the traffic.
That Cirrus is at 1,700 feet, 4 miles west of Morrisville.
Roger that. I'm at 3,500 feet, probably well back towards Mount Mansfield, and so I'll keep an eye out for you as I approach Morrisville.
Yeah, copy. Thanks. 5 Sierra Romeo. All right, Morrisville-Stowe Airport, Cirrus 5 Sierra Romeo is on the left downwind for runway 19er, Morrisville.
And Morrisville traffic, glider tailplane is crosswind over the numbers. Will follow behind the Cirrus on downwind to 19 Morrisville.
Yeah, Morrisville traffic, Cirrus 5 Sierra Romeo's left base for runway 19er. Yeah, Morrisville-Stowe traffic, Cirrus 5 Sierra Romeo is turning final.
500.
Runway 19er, Morrisville.
And Morrisville traffic, glider tailplane is on a left base for runway 19, and we've got the Cirrus on final in sight, and we'll be taking the grass, so should be no factor there, Morrisville.
Cows.
Yeah.
Welcome to Morrisville. What can we do for you today?
Yes, sir. We're going to park here, stay for about 4 hours local.
Copy that. I'll just park right here in front of the
All right, park it right in front of you.